Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Talk English channel.
Hi guys, I'm Emma.
And I'm John.
We're so happy you're here today.
Yeah, grab some coffee, relax, and practice English with us.
Today we're talking about grocery shopping.
Oh wow, grocery shopping is a big part of adult life.
Seriously, I feel like I go grocery shopping every 3 days.
Same here. I buy food, and then somehow 2 days later, everything is gone.
Exactly, especially snacks.
Snacks disappear like magic.
Yes, I always say I'm only buying healthy food today, then somehow cookies end up in my cart.
Oh, that happens to me too. I go into the store for milk and bread.
And come out with ice cream, chips, soda, and frozen pizza?
Yes, every single time.
Grocery stores are dangerous places.
They really are. So Emma, when do you usually go grocery shopping?
Usually on Sunday mornings.
Sunday morning. That sounds peaceful.
It is. The store is not too crowded. I can walk slowly, look around, and think about meals for the week.
That sounds nice. I usually go after work, and honestly, it's terrible.
Oh no.
Everybody's there. The parking lot is full, people look tired, I look tired. Nobody wants to be there.
That's so true.
And the lines are so long.
I hate long lines at grocery stores.
Me too, especially when I only have like 3 things.
Oh, and then the person in front of you has a completely full cart.
Yes, like enough food for an entire village.
Exactly.
Do you make a shopping list before you go?
I try to.
Try sounds important there.
Yeah, sometimes I make a beautiful list on my phone. Very organized.
Nice.
Vegetables, fruit, bread, eggs, chicken, everything.
Very responsible.
But then I get to the store and completely ignore the list.
Same.
I suddenly become emotional.
Emotional shopping?
Yes, I see chocolate and think, wow, I deserve this.
Honestly, you probably do.
Thank you, John. That means a lot.
Grocery shopping can really change your mood.
Totally, especially when you're hungry.
Oh no, never grocery shop when you're hungry.
Biggest mistake ever.
I once went shopping after skipping lunch.
That sounds dangerous already.
I bought so much random food.
Like what?
Let me think. Donuts, spicy noodles, 3 frozen dinners, cookies, potato chips,
Wow.
and a giant chocolate cake.
A whole cake?
A whole cake.
Did you eat it all?
Not in one day.
John.
Listen, I was hungry and emotional.
Grocery shopping becomes very different when you're hungry.
It really does. Everything looks delicious.
Even foods you normally never eat.
Exactly. Suddenly, I'm looking at fancy cheese like I'm some kind of food expert.
Yes, you start reading labels carefully.
Yes, this cheese has a rich flavor.
Meanwhile, at home, you eat instant noodles every night.
Pretty much.
I actually enjoy grocery shopping sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, I like looking at fresh fruit and vegetables.
That's healthy and peaceful.
It feels calming to me.
I understand that.
And I love bakery sections.
Oh, wow. The smell of fresh bread?
It's amazing.
I can smell it right now just thinking about it.
Warm bread is one of the best smells in the world.
Absolutely.
But grocery prices lately?
Oh, don't even start.
Everything feels more expensive now.
Seriously, I bought a few basic things last week and the total shocked me.
Same. I looked at the screen and thought, that cannot be correct.
I know.
Eggs are expensive, snacks are expensive, even fruit feels expensive sometimes.
Yeah, healthy food can cost a lot.
That's why I try to plan meals before shopping now.
That's smart.
It helps me save money.
I should probably do that too.
What do you usually buy every week?
Definitely milk, eggs, bread, bananas,
Very normal so far.
coffee, a lot of coffee,
Of course.
chicken, rice, pasta,
Okay.
and frozen pizza for emergencies.
Emergencies?
You know, when I'm too tired to cook.
Honestly, frozen pizza has saved many people.
It's true.
I always buy yogurt, fruit, salad, and cereal.
You sound healthier than me.
Well, I also buy ice cream.
Ah, yes. Balance.
Exactly. Life is about balance.
What's your favorite grocery store?
I like stores that are clean and quiet.
Same.
I don't like very crowded stores with loud music.
Oh, yeah. Some stores feel stressful.
And I love stores with self-checkout.
Really? I'm bad at self-checkout.
Why?
The machine always yells at me.
What do you mean?
Please place item in the bagging area.
Oh no.
Then I place the item there.
And?
Unexpected item in bagging area.
That happens to me too sometimes.
I get nervous.
It's okay, John. The machine cannot hurt you.
I know, but it feels very judgmental.
Poor John versus the grocery machine.
I prefer regular checkout with a real cashier.
Honestly, me too sometimes.
Cashiers can be really friendly.
Yeah, small conversations at grocery stores can be nice.
One cashier always remembers me because I buy too many bananas.
That's actually kind of sweet.
She once said, "You really love bananas."
And you said,
Apparently I do. Do you bring your own bags when shopping?
yes, usually.
Me too. I'm trying to use less plastic.
Same here.
But sometimes I forget the bags in my car.
Oh, I do that all the time.
Then I stand there looking disappointed in myself.
Same.
Grocery shopping is actually a lot of work when you think about it.
It is.
First you plan meals,
Then make a list,
then drive to the store,
walk around for an hour,
carry heavy bags,
put everything away at home.
and then a few days later,
You have to do it all again.
adult life is repetitive.
Very repetitive.
Did you ever go grocery shopping as a child with your parents?
Oh, yes, all the time.
Me too.
I remember sitting in the shopping cart when I was really little
Same.
and asking my mom for candy every 5 minutes.
Kids always want candy at the checkout line.
Stores know exactly what they're doing.
Yeah, they put all the candy right there for a reason.
Smart business.
My mom usually said no,
Mine too.
but sometimes she bought ice cream on Fridays.
Aw, that's a nice memory.
Yeah, it felt special.
Grocery shopping can actually hold a lot of memories.
That's true.
Food is connected to family, comfort, and everyday life.
Wow, that got deep suddenly.
Sorry, I became emotional about supermarkets.
It's okay, I understand.
Honestly, I think simple everyday activities are important.
Me too.
Even grocery shopping can teach us things.
Like budgeting,
Planning,
patience,
self-control near the cookie aisle.
very important skill. Oh, do you ever forget something important?
All the time.
Same.
I once bought everything for taco night,
Sounds good already.
but forgot the tortillas.
No,
Yes.
that's the main part.
I know, I was so upset.
What did you do?
We just ate taco salad instead.
Honestly, that still sounds delicious.
It actually was.
I once forgot coffee.
That's serious.
Very serious.
I would immediately go back to the store.
I did.
Good choice.
Life without coffee is difficult.
Especially in the morning.
Definitely.
You know what I love?
What?
Coming home after grocery shopping and putting everything away.
Really?
Yes, especially when the fridge is full and organized.
Oh, okay, I understand that feeling.
It feels peaceful.
Like life is under control for a moment,
Exactly.
even if everything becomes messy again 2 days later.
True.
Grocery shopping may seem boring, but honestly, it's part of real life.
Yeah, everybody does it.
And it creates funny little moments,
Small conversations.
stressful checkout experiences,
Emotional snack purchases.
and frozen pizza emergencies.
Very important emergencies.
Well, guys, thanks for spending time with us today.
We hope this conversation helped you practice simple, real English.
And maybe next time you go grocery shopping, you'll remember some of these words and expressions.
Exactly. Thanks for watching Easy Talk English channel.
Don't forget to relax, practice every day, and enjoy learning English step by step.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.